How to send lengthier video on your Gmail account. To do this, just follow the following steps. So as we all know that we cannot send the video which is longer than 25 MB. So what if we have video very lengthier and we want to send it in the Gmail? So follow these steps. Just go and search the video that you want to save for this. You can either go on the files, gallery, or Google Photos, wherever you have your video on. So if I want to send this video, then I'll just tap and select it and then tap on the share icon. And here on the search bar, I can search for the Gmail account, either phone number or name. And when I tap and send it, it will be sent to the person whoever I want to send. And yes, you can send lengthier video by this process, and it really does work. So do try it, and if you like our video, then please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.